Since I was very young, when I was a child, I knew I wanted to be a doctor. So I remember the days where I was sitting in a pediatrician office in a waiting room and see the patients come in and out. Someday I want to be a doctor to help those patients. Even though I enjoyed every moment of practicing medicine and treating patients with cancer, I have the question at the back of my mind, how can I do things differently? How can I improve patients' outcome? And that's what drove me to pursue my career in clinical research.
I always strive to be a scientist, surgeon, and then I developed an ailment in my hands that I could no longer operate. But I could still pursue my passion to help people and impact lives. It is important to find lung cancer earlier before it has had a chance to spread, and the reason for that is the outcomes are better.
Historically, when we think about lung cancer, we think it's a death sentence. However, in the last few years, we've seen tremendous advance in the care of lung cancer patients that reflected in improvements in outcome.
Lung cancer is notoriously the silent killer because by the time the patient becomes symptomatic, the disease has gone beyond where it started. Oftentimes, lung cancer is detected as it is in its later stages. The value of a screening program is to find these sites of lung cancer before it has become advanced.
We see currently that clinical research now in lung cancer is more switching to investigating earlier stage of the disease. Finding and diagnosing lung cancer early may lead to a better outcome.
Understanding the patient experience is the tip of the pyramid, and as a researcher, if you take that point, the tip of the pyramid off, you don't have a direction to drive your passion, your innovation, your desires to still meet that end goal of helping others. Merck allowed me to continue my dream to not only fulfill my goals in life and my career, but continue my path to have an impact in patients' lives.
I think it is very important for whoever do clinical research to have experience in managing patients and seeing patients, because it gives you a completely different perspective on how you conduct your work. At the end of the day, I think whatever we do in clinical research should focus on what is matter, what is important, and what's important is the patients.